Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm Luis, and this is DL Planes. So now we're going to fly the Piper Cub.
We're going to do night flying with the Piper Cub, and I'm going to use this little LED. Like mini, tiny little.
So only one little light.
And it's going to go right here, up in the front. So you can see that. Yeah. So we're going to fly it now, and let's go to the field. Okay, I'm going to do a little flight. Coming?
Yeah.
Okay, from the moon.
Looks like the sun.
Make a flyby by your moon, okay?
I'll just keep. That was weird. I'm keeping it on the moon. No.
Okay, just film the plane.
You're going too high.
I can't go any lower. I'm like passing by on top of it.
I know. It's just like a flying dot.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a rubber band that we use to put on top of here. Like
A normal rubber band.
Because the black rubber band broke, and so far it's working fine. So let's give it a try.
It's pretty decent. Night flying with only one light. Alright, so we just got back from the field from flying the Piper Cub night flying with only this light. When we went out to fly the Piper, we weren't expecting it to be doing night flying, but the sun went down real fast, so all we had in the toolbox was this
LED. So we put it here, and as you can see, it was real hard to see the plane.
But we still managed to fly the plane, and luckily nothing happened. Alright, so next week we're going to be flying the F-18.
So if you want to see the F-18 first flight and how everything goes, subscribe.
So the weekend after we fly the F-18, we're going to be doing KF airfoils
on the F-18. We're going to be doing 1 week KF1 and KF2, and the weekend after we do KF1 and KF2, we're going to be doing KF3 and KF4. So if you want to see all of the upcoming things that we're going to be doing with the F-18,
you can just click on the subscribe button. And one more thing, if you we're still working on the Piper Cub PDF, so those will be coming out soon.
So they're going to be a very low price, about $3.99 or $4.99. So if you want to see everything of the F-18 coming up and everything else, just subscribe.